Hi guys, what's going on? So I'm sorry I've been away for a while. I've been really busy putting my courses together. But yeah, I'm uploading will be this video, and I'm doing another review video, so if you want to check this out. But today I want to bring you this video. I don't know if you've heard about this. It's Uhive, and it's a social media metaverse. And the reason I'm bringing this to you is because this is a brilliant investment for you now. If you're going on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, any places like that, they're all making money off you from going on. You're watching ads. You should be paid for your data, basically. So what Uhive have done, and this is a brilliant platform, it's a social media metaverse, and basically you can come on and you do things like they give you Uhive tokens each day just for coming on here. Now these are cryptocurrencies, what you can actually trade with. You can actually buy spaces on here, which I'll talk about in 1 second. But if you look at my profile here, and this is the genius part about it, is you can create spaces, and these spaces you can build them up, and then as the price increases and this platform gets more popular, these spaces are going to be worth a lot of money, which you can sell these. They're basically spaces. They're NFTs. That's what they are, really. And I've been spending time on there. You can get the best names for them. And what a lot of people have done on here is they've chosen the space names, and they haven't thought to themselves, well, what if I look on Instagram and look at like a business on there? What about choosing a name what a business is going to need? Because this has got nearly 1 million users on it already, and it's still in beta. When beta's finished, they're going to be spending a lot of money on marketing, and it's just going to burst, and there's going to be loads and loads of users. So then you've jumped on here, you've chosen your space names, you've created them, you've been uploading every day, you've built it up. I mean, if you just look at this DIY one of mine, let's have a look. It's got 54 posts, and what you've got here is a social scale. If you see the social scale, it's 151. And what this social scale is, it ranges from 0 to 999. And the higher your social scale is, and the more you upload, the more that you engage, the more people actually come and like your content, the more people that follow you, the higher that scale goes. So say in 6 months time, 8 months time, when they're out of beta and they've done a big marketing campaign, and you'll see more and more YouTube videos of this, you've already got on here. You've got a good name for your space, which somebody who's got a business who wants that name is probably going to say, well, it's worth the cryptocurrency, or it's worth the payment for me to buy that name back off of you. You see what I mean? Because this is the only platform at the moment besides Facebook that are doing this. Now I don't know if you've heard about Facebook. They're called Meta. And near to me, Ireland, they're actually called Meta now, short for metaverse. And Facebook are doing exactly the same thing. You go on there and you get paid a crypto coin, which Facebook will probably be a stable coin, I should imagine. But Uhive have got an head start on Facebook, so you getting a head start on here now. You think in 8 months, even a year's time, the price of this cryptocurrency, which is a HVE2 token, a Hive token, is valued very low at the minute, but it's going up and up. And if you go to Google now, and just pause the video, go to Google now and put, is Uhive a good investment? And try and find me one blog post that says, oh no, don't bother going on it, it's a bad investment. They all say it's a good investment. And I'm giving you this information now, and I hope It's not like normal where only 5% of you think, now I'll do it tomorrow, and then you don't bother doing it. Go do it now. Go get your space name, choose a good name, upload every day. You'll get free cryptocurrency for coming on it every day, and then please come back to my YouTube channel and say thank you. Now, if you want some free coins, I'll leave a link in the description and a referral code. You use that referral code, you'll get free cryptocurrency to get you started on there. If you've got any questions, or if you want to see another video, any more tutorials, please leave a comment. And I'm glad to be back, and I'll be back every day now. So I'll see you guys soon.